In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how my Elirox Trading Bot has performed from the last 1 week or a few days ago when I created it. If you remember, I made a video some days ago where I talked about Elirox and the trading bot and how you can use it to carry out your trades when you connect it to any broker or maybe your XNext broker account, and then it takes trades for you. And in that video, I showed you guys how much I was able to make with that trading bot, and I also did another example, and that example that I made in that video, I'll be showing you the result in today's video. And not just that, I'll also be showing you some important tips and important things you need to take note of if you really want to use the Elirox Trading Bot. So please, before I go ahead and show you, kindly like this video, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you. So with that being said, let's go straight to the point. So as you can see right here on the screen, this is the home page of the Elirox app, and you can remember this is the demo account I showed you guys in the previous video where I was able to make some profit with the trading bot, and then I later used my real account to actually do another one where I'll be showing you the result in today's video. But before I go ahead and show you the result of the trading bot I did, please, I want to show you guys how to actually connect your XNext account to your Elirox account. Let me show you, because that's one of the questions that a lot of people have been asking me since I made that video some days ago. So please, I quickly want to show you that. It's simple and straightforward. Now to do that, here's what you need to do. Now scroll out to the side, come here and scroll to the side. Now once you get here and it says add new account, just come here and click on choose a broker. Now, once you click on that, you can see broker partners, you can pick XNext, or if you want to pick any other broker, you can come here and click on manual connection. But I would advise that you use the XNext broker to actually connect. So if you want to use that, just come here and click on XNext. So I'll click on that. Now, once you click on that, if you don't have an XNext account, you can come here to create it directly. But if you already have one, just come to the bottom side of the screen where I already have an account. So just click on that. So that's the one I'll click on because I have an XNext account already. So just click on it. So once you click on it, it will bring you to this page where you have to enter your email address. So I'll go ahead and enter my email address right there. So once you get to this page, it will show you all the different accounts you have created on your XNext account. So these are the two different accounts I have. So any one of them that you want to connect, just go ahead and click on it, and that is all. So once you click on it and you click on continue, the account will be connected right there. It's as simple as that. So I hope you understand that. That's how you can connect your XNext account to your Elirox bot right there. It's as simple as that. And then once you take a trade and then you use this account on Elirox, it will actually take the capital for that trade or for that bot from your XNext account. It's as simple as that. I hope you get it. So that is how you can actually connect your XNext account to this. So now that I've answered that question, let me go ahead and show you how much I was able to make with this trading bot on the real account. So to see that, just come here to my robot at the bottom. So click on it. Then okay, it's on real. So if you want to see the result for real account here for demo, you click here. So it's on real here. Then come here to where you have stopped. So it will show you all the trading bot that has been stopped before. So I'll just click on it. So right here is the trading bot. You can see it BTC USDM. You can see the investment we used was $150.47 right here. So let's see how much we've made. Let me click on it. So right here on the screen is the graph that will show you how your trading bot has been moving up and down. So I'm going to cover it first and open it for you guys little by little. So I want to show you how much I made each day. So right here on the screen, remember we started this trading bot on the 5th of June. So you can see the date right here, 5th of June. Now on that day, the trading bot started taking trades for us and we were making profits back to back. And on the second day, which was the 6th of June, let me show you how much we're already making. So you can see 6th of June right here, we were up by 41% profit, which is good, 41%. And that's about $63 for me right there. Now, after seeing this profit on the 6th of June, I actually wanted to close it because I was like, okay, this is already it was between 8 to 12 hours already. The trading bot had lasted for 8 to 12 hours. So I wanted to close it because the demo one, the one I did with the demo account, I left it for 8 hours too, and I made about 200% profit after 8 hours. So I wanted this one to last for between 8 hours to 12 hours, then close it, and then come here to compare the two together. But after I saw this profit on the first day, I was like, okay, let me leave it for maybe 7 days. That's 1 week to actually make it more realistic, because I'm sure some of you might want to leave your trading bot for like 7 days or 2 weeks or 21 days or even 1 month or maybe so many days. So I want to make it more realistic and see, okay, how far or how long can this trading bot go and also make profits for me? So I left it for 7 days. So this was the profit from the second day. Now on the third day, which is 7th of June, let me show you how much you're able to make. So you can see here on the 7th of June, we're up by 188.5% profit, which is a lot. And that's about $283 profit right there for me. So when I saw that on the the second day, I was very, very happy. So 5th of June to 7th of June, we were up by 188.5% profit. And then you can see right here on the screen, on the 7th of June by 11:15 p.m., we had lost everything. We lost 309% of the money, and that's about $465, which was approximately almost all the money I had in the wallet that day, because I had $500 in the wallet, so it entered liquidation and I lost everything in the wallet right there. So you can see the trading bot didn't last for 7 days, and this is how it has performed. Now, based on everything that you've seen so far, there are some things that I want you to take note of if you want to use the trading bot. Now, the first thing I want you to know is that the trading bot is really good. No doubt at all, the trading bot is good. In the previous video where I showed how much I made with the demo account, I made over 200% profit in 8 hours, and some of you were doubting it, saying that, oh, it is fake. But you can see right here, for the real account, in less than 24 hours, we are up by 41%. You can see 41%. The next day, we're up by 188% profit right there. You can see it on the screen. So it is not fake. The amount I made with the demo account and even the real account, they are not fake. They are both real. Nothing is fake at all. So I think the first thing is that the trading bot is really good. Now, the second thing I want you to take note of is that, please, if you're using this trading bot, always set your stop loss. Now, remember in the previous video, I showed you guys how to set your stop loss, but I did not set my stop loss. I mentioned that, and the reason is because I wanted this trading bot to actually run so that I can close it myself. I didn't want it to close at any stop loss. I wanted it to run so that I can see how much I'll be making every day, so that I can give you guys a good report. So that's why I did set the stop loss in that video. But please, if you are going to be using this trading bot, always set your stop loss. If you don't know how to set your stop loss, please go and check the previous video. I also put the link in the description below. And the reason why I'm saying this is because if I had set my stop loss, I wouldn't have entered liquidation at all. I wouldn't have lost all this money. So I was only able to enter liquidation because I didn't set stop loss. If I set stop loss, I would have lost maybe a tiny amount of it, maybe 10% of the capital, which is like maybe $10 or $15. Or maybe when I saw that this one was already up by 188% profit on the 7th of June, I would have moved the stop loss maybe a little bit higher, so that even if it comes down again, I will still end up closing the trading bot with profit. So you can see right there, not setting stop loss is what affected this. Now, the third thing I want you to take note of is that, please always make sure that you are monitoring this trading bot. Once you set it, don't just leave it and forget about it. No, don't do that. Always make sure that you are checking up on your trading bot, maybe every 6 hours, every 8 hours, or maybe every day. Whenever you have the time, please make sure you check your trading bot. Don't just set it up and leave it. Very, very important. Now, the fourth thing I want you to take note of is that this trading bot actually makes profit at the beginning, back-to-back profit at the beginning. Now, let me show you. Now, if you come here to where you have closed, so let me scroll up, come here to where you have closed, click on it. So you can see it right here. You can see that they are all profits on the first day and second day. You can see even till the 7th of June, it was still making back-to-back profit until after some hours when the market started going against us. And you can see right here, everything was going down, and then these are all the losses that actually took out our profits, and then we lost all the money right there. So like I said earlier, at the very beginning, the trading bot will be making profits back to back, and it's also because the trades that the trading bot took very early, those are the ones that will quickly enter into take profit. So that is why at the beginning it will quickly make back-to-back profits for you. And I even told one of my friends to also try this trading bot while I was also trying it, and he was very surprised at how the trading bot was making back-to-back profits at the beginning. So it is normal, and like I said again, that's because it is the trades at the beginning that will most likely quickly enter take profit. So that's why at the beginning you'll be seeing back-to-back profit. And that's why I also said that please don't just set this trading bot and forget it. So if you set it and you say that maybe after like 4, 5, 6 hours it has made back-to-back profit for you, you can close it if you're okay with whatever profit you're seeing and just take your profit right there. It's as simple as that. So again, these are the trades the trading bot has taken for me. You can see both profit and losses. And don't forget all the things I've mentioned earlier. Number one, I said the trading bot is really good. Like you can see for yourself, it is actually good. Number two, always set your stop loss for this trading bot. Always set your stop loss for the trading bot. Number three, I said don't just leave the trading bot and forget about it. Please don't just set it and forget it. And then number four, I said that the trading bot will most likely always make profit for you at the beginning or when it starts taking trades. So please, maybe for the first 4, 5, 6, 8 hours, always stay close to the trading bot just in case you want to close it at whatever profit you are okay with. So this is everything you need to know about this trading bot. So you can see right here, in total, we lost $465 because it entered liquidation. If not that, the trading bot is good. So I think that's everything I have to say about this trading bot. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you also want to try it out, please again watch my previous video where I about setting up the trading bot, the link will be in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.